Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to upload file on your Google Drive. So first thing that you'll need to do is to open any web browser and then log in to your Google Drive. After logging in or signing in, you just have to click on the Go to Drive option. Okay, so this one right here, just have to click on it, and then here you can see below the drive icon, you can see the new option, so you just have to click on it and then select the file upload. Okay, and you'll be redirected to your folder and locate the file that you want to upload. So for example, I want to upload these two files right here. Okay, so I'll then just going to highlight this two, and after that you just have to click on open. And after that, you just have to wait for a few seconds until the uploading two items is complete. Okay, so the first item is uploaded successfully. Now you just have to wait for the other file to be uploaded. And then you are going to locate that into your My Drive since the two items are uploaded successfully. So let's go to My Drive and try to find those files. So here's the first file, and then let's scroll down. As you can see, here's the other file that I have uploaded. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios!